Hi guys, good evening guys. Alright guys, we have iPhone 11 Pro. This one guys is iPhone 11 Pro. Ayan po guys, tandahanin po natin yung pag-video para makita nyo lahat ng bahagi nitong item natin. Bagong rematado po, ngayon lamang po. Alright, so this one is iPhone 11 Pro. Check natin guys yung yung kanyang settings para makita natin yung serial number and everything. Alright, this one is iPhone 11 Pro. Andyan po yung model number, serial number. This one is 64 GB. Andyan po ang kanyang EMI1, EMI2. You can check through internet. So, okay guys, so this one is napakaganda. Okay, so check natin guys yung kanyang battery health. I hope na 70% pa ito up. Okay, I am using my iPhone 15 Pro Max. 70% na lang siya, pero I can still use 7 to 8 hours na patuloy na paggamit. So I hope this one more than 70%. Okay, this one is 83%. Pwede pa ito magamit ng 8 to 10 hours. So, patuloy na paggamit. So, still as you can see guys, dito yung screen nito guys. Makikita nyo yung talagang bago pa po siya. Kasi hindi pa po siya nag-fade. Ibig sabihin, wala pa po siyang black. Alright, dyan nyo check guys yung yung kanyang na talagang sobrang linis niya. So, sobrang napakaputi. So, ibig sabihin, talagang bago pa ito. Alright? So, this one, okay guys. Unahan lamang po, of course, come with the Apple fast charger. Ito po, binibinta ko ng 1,200 original fast charger. But this one is free. Alright? So, unahan lang guys. Again guys, iPhone 11 Pro. 64 GB, 83% yung battery. Yung kanyang kinis at saka looks ay still 99%. Makinis pa. Alright? So, nahan lang. Salamat.